This another review of my trading. Basically, that is a review of my trading results last week. Luckily, it was a positive week, and I got around 10% gain in my capital because my capital has been falling for to a level that I have to decide whether I continue to try in this very difficult endeavor, or I should forget it for at least for the time being. But now, with several weeks of positive results, and I decided that I continue to explore this area, see whether I can have one day that I can really can trade for a living, if that is really possible. Now, all in all, last week I have not too bad, and basically I got a high gain in the WTI trade in oil, and but I think I have really have to overcome the bad habits of over trading. You see, really a lot of whipsaws that wiped me out many of the profits that I got from the trade. And finally, I discovered suddenly I changed to euro, and I got also a good result in the euro against Japanese yen. I discovered that last week there's been a falling in Japanese yen, and I got some profit, and now I still hold a position of US dollar against Japanese yen. Um, yeah, buying the US dollar against the Japanese yen, and that is the chart. Um, yep, basically now I can show my entry, show um, the trade level and trade history. I don't know why they don't show it. Anyway, I entered somewhere and I got already a little bit of gain, and now really decide whether to continue to ride the US dollar against Japanese yen or I have to change the direction. I think I possibly have to change direction on several bases. First, we see this a shooting star is not good. Okay, after reaching for it, and I get a shooting star not a bit far away from the cloud, although the overall general trend is up in the short term. It's for and that you see the price already crossed below the 5-day moving average and towards 20-day moving average, and quite far away from the cloud, from the Kumu, and very likely will go down somewhere to hit the Kumu and then up again. And then, okay, we change the bar chart. We see that the price move above the moving average and hit it and rise is very rapid. For such a kind of rapid rise, normally there should be a kind of sharp correction somewhere afterwards. Okay, now you see already crossover the moving average. Then you see the retracement. Likely that could be my target. But I have a nice ABC retracement. It could be my target. And okay, then I look at the oscillator. One of the favorite oscillator is stochastic. You see, that is across here. Okay, then very likely that would be going down for sure. This means early next week and on early morning I have to change my position from I possibly have to close my profit here and no more buy. I will sell the U.S. dollar against Japanese yen. That'll say Japanese yen will rise possibly, at least a kind of correction. Another reason for my bullish view on Japanese yen is on this chart, from bar chart, where there's a very helpful showing the court report. And you see the court report here. I look at the commercials, and whenever the commercials sell, the U.S. dollar will rise. Okay, they sell the Japanese yen, the U.S. dollar will rise. But now it seems that it has finished selling of the U.S. dollar against Japanese yen, and then possibly go down. You can see the historically whenever the finish selling, then we're pulling down, the finish selling going down, and finish selling going down. Okay, and I'll possibly finish selling and going down. The U.S. dollar going down, and the Japanese yen will go up. And yeah, of course, it can continue to go, but nobody know. But according to the general trend, then it may go down. Okay, of course, it's all speculation. Okay, okay, that's it. And prepare for next week, and hopefully, I would have another positive week to keep me on afloat in this market. Okay, thank you.